In this video, I will show how to solve a variation problem. All variation problems are nearly identical, so to solve it, we're just going to read the problem and do all the necessary steps as necessary as we go through the problem. So first phrase is y varies inversely with the square of x. So that means the formula that relates y and x is like this. So that's what it means for two variables to vary inversely. As one increases, the other one decreases. In this case, the relation is given between y and the square of x, so we write it like this. Now, the next phrase says x equals 3 when y equals 9. So that means if instead of y I write 9, and instead of x I write 3, as a result I will get an equation in one variable, and the variable is k. So to solve this equation I can just simply isolate k, and here it's just enough to multiply both sides by 9, so k equals 81. As a result, I now have a working formula that relates y and x. So until now I had a formula with some unknown coefficient k. Now I found this coefficient, so I do have a formula. And using this formula, I'm ready now to answer any question. So if you give me x, I'll be able to find y. If you give me y, I can find x. In the question, in the original question, the x equals 4 is given. So to find y when x equals 4, I simply have to plug in 4 for x, and 4 squared is 16. So when x equals 4, y equals 81 over 16.